Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change paper size in InDesign without affecting the content. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your InDesign software, and we can see here already open a document. You can open a document. You can open this file menu and click open option. Now we want to change the paper size or page size without affecting the content. Go to the file menu, select the document setup option. You can enable this setup option using the shortcut key. Press Ctrl Alt and P on your keyboard. Now I make the page size let legal, then click OK, and we can see here not affected the text and the text not destroyed. You can feed this text using manually. Click and drag on your mouse to increase the text box. Now you can see we change the paper size without not affecting the content very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.